silver has lost more than 28% of its value since March. Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about silver. Is it on sale? Should you buy silver now? And why has the price of silver dropped dramatically? Well, one of the main reasons silver is so hard hit at the moment is because it is seen as both an industrial metal as well as a precious metal. Also not helping in this situation, as we all know, is the Ukraine and Russia conflict. With the world fighting for gas and oil in bidding wars, this has extended the industrial manufacturing downturn. Normally in times of global crisis, recessions and interest rate spikes, we would turn to precious metals to see their prices spike. However, as precious metals such as gold and silver have become ever more depended on in the industrial markets, the link between the two, being precious metals for their value as a metal commodity on its own, and the industrial use of gold and silver has become ever more blurred, therefore unusually linking their values to the current global monetary markets, whereas normally they are separated vastly from fiat money rates. Silver has lost more than 28% of its value since March, and its all-time high this year was at £19.91. Now it's downturned all the way down to £15.33. That's actually a very significant decrease in value, especially considering it's only in the space of a few months. Something else to worry about is the fact that the USGS, that's the United States Geological Survey, they said that silver will be the first element on the periodic table that will be in a very short supply. So to me, that's really forecasting a short supply in future. This is a concern because there is a huge industrial demand for silver. Although it is expensive to be used constantly in the industrial trade, it is still widely used. With the world shifting to a more eco-sustainable situation around the globe, it is being widely used for components in electrical driven motors and machinery, as silver is one of the most conductive elements, as we know, for electricity, making it therefore high in demand. While silver is good for the mechanical industrial movement, helping push electric sustainability forward, it's just not sustainable. It's too expensive and it's an unsustainable source. It's non-renewable. As the USGS have said, it is going to be the first element on the periodic table that's going to come up as a very short supply. So what will that do? That will mean it pushes up the prices. Now, as I said, because silver is a non-renewable source, silver mining cannot sustain itself forever. For this reason, it is important to recover as much silver as possible, in my opinion. I believe you need to get your hands on silver because, like all good things, it's going to come to an end. Maybe not in our lifetime, but look at the facts. Look at the usage of silver. It's being extremely used in projects such as electric cars, the terminals in electric batteries, solar panels. Everything right now is being pushed for a sustainable future, and silver is a huge movement in that part, and I'm really expecting it to become an insufficient way of sustaining this electrical industrial movement. However, right now it is sort of intertwined with the monetary values and the global market situation, which is unusual for precious metals because normally the two are easily distinguished and separated. As we know, when recession and global crisis hits, precious metal value goes up, and when the global market is sort of steady and stable, precious metal sits at a pretty steady rate. But for the first time, we're seeing a real intertwined link between the two, and I'm putting that down to the fact that silver is being used and pushed for in the industrial revolution for the electricity push. So, in my opinion, I believe at the current price silver's at, it's on sale. It's saying, buy me now, because you might not be able to buy me for this price or anything near this price in the future. And at the end of the day, what is silver? It's not a big expense. You know, you can pick up an ounce of silver right now, not including the premiums if we're just looking at spot price, for £15. You can pick up an ounce of silver for £15. Well, I've bought these bars at nearly £30 a bar. In fact, I have bought bars at £30 a bar. I bought these 007 No Time to Die bars. I believe they were £30 a bar at the time I paid for them. So, technically, I've lost money. But as we know, if you're in precious metals for the long term, it's nothing to worry about. So in my opinion, I believe silver's on sale. I think if you are watching the prices closely, don't worry about it. As most of us are in precious metals for the long term, I really do believe silver is a fantastic hedge against inflation. I think it's seriously undervalued in the precious metals market right now. And I think it's a good time to make an investment if you can afford to and get yourself some silver. So I hope this video has given you some information you enjoyed, and if you've agreed with me, let me know in the comments below. If you don't agree with me, let me know in the comments below, and we can have a good debate on that. If you stayed till the end of the video, please like it, and if you want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching as always, guys, and until next time, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.